Hey everyone, this is Ieasha from Elaborate Designs by Ieasha, and today I'm back on here with another Easter basket. And this time this Easter basket is for my teen daughter. And a lot of times, you know, we don't know what to get teenagers for Easter because they have outgrown, so-called outgrown Easter baskets. So my daughter loves these beautiful book bag purses. This is what she loves. So my husband and I ordered one. I went up on the Macy's.com and they had a clearance. And as you see, the price of this was originally, if you can focus in on it. I don't know if you can see that, but the original price is $118, and we was able to purchase this for $42. So I thought that was a great deal. So we went to the different stores and purchased things that we know she liked. She's always in my earrings. So I went to Belts and purchased her some earrings. I actually went to Belts.com, and these earrings were on clearance, so I didn't pay a whole lot for them. As well as this necklace, this bracelet with the heart. All right, she needed some earphones or earbuds for her phone, so we purchased this, and we got these at Five Below. They were only $5. It's a good deal. Then we went to Hobby Lobby, and she is what I call my artist. She loves to draw, so we purchased this. This was 60% off, and it's a Jane Davenport Making Faces mixed media pastel palette set, as you can see right here. And it was a 60% off. The original price was $19.99, and I paid, it was like $8 for it that I paid. Okay, purchased for some jumbo paper clips from Five Below, and they were only $1 at Five Below. And we also purchased her some palette paper to go with the palette paints that I just showed you, as well as she needed another sketchbook for drawing. So these were at Michael's for buy one and get one 50% off. And also I seen this at Hobby Lobby. It was on sale. It says Drink Up Buttercup, and we just started going to the gym, so I thought this would really be good for her as she get ready to start drinking more water and working out. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to pack her bag. So what I'm going to do first, as you see, I'm just pulling back the little paper that came in the bag. And I'm going to take, first of all, this drawing sketchbook and just put it in the inside of it. And actually, I'm going to put it on the side. Then I'm going to take the palette paper and I'm going to put that on the other side of it. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. Okay. So when she come in and she see her bag, she will be, you know, all she has to do is just pull everything out. So I'm trying to place everything in here since it is a book bag purse. Okay, so now I'm going to take this palette, pastel palette paint, and I'm just going to place that like right here on the side. Right on the side of it. Then I'm going to take, I think I'm going to go with this, her cup. And I'm just going to place that right here on this side. Hopefully I'll always stand up for me. Okay. And I'm going to take the earrings out of the plastic and just place them directly into her bag. And she have a gold pair of earrings as well as a silver pair of earrings. So she won't have to bother my earrings anymore. I'm just going to put one on each side. Okay, and these jumbo paper clips, I'm just going to put them like right behind the cup. Like right. I'm trying to do it with a sit up so it all can be seen. earrings, I just put it here. I just take the earrings and put in front of this so that I'll be placed in a good position there. If this cup will stay up, that would work. Okay, so I'm going to take her earphones that I bought her, and I'm just going to place them like right here so she can see them. Everything can be seen. And I'm going to take this bracelet that I bought her. Actually, I think I'm going to put that in the front. I'm going to do that like that so it can be seen. It can stay right there in the front. And I'm going to put the earrings right behind it. I'm going to pull that up so it can be seen a little bit. So this is the way that I was able to decorate her bag. As you see, I put the bracelet here in the front, earring, the paper clips in the back, the water bottle, the books, the sketchbook and the palette book, and her palette paint is right here, as well as her earphones. And I think it turned out really pretty for her. And like I said again, she's a teenager, so teenagers really don't want little Easter baskets. Gift card in here because she loves Chick-fil-A, and she likes Starbucks every now and then. So I may get her a gift card to go in here. And so this is what I wanted to show you. So if you all have teenagers, just get what your teenager like. If they don't want a Easter basket, just make sure you get what they like, and just put all of the things that they like inside of the basket. Therefore, when they open it up, or like my daughter, when she come in, she will see everything here, and she can just take what she want out of it and put everything either on her dresser or wherever she would be putting it, so that she can use the book bag. And this bag can be used as a school book bag, or either a just a regular like a handbag or a purse. And I also have started to carry them also, and my husband purchased me one. I told him about it. I sent it to him, and I told him I wanted it. I didn't know he was gonna get it, but when our teen daughter purse came in, this purse was on top, and I was like, oh, you bought it for me. But this purse is originally, I don't know the original price on there, but I think it was like $89 or something like that. And it was like, we only paid $30 for it. So I think it's a really great bag. It's very beautiful. So I hope that you all have enjoyed this video, and this gives you some ideas about what to get for your teenage daughter, or if you have a teenage son, you can just get what they like and incorporate the same thing into it. And don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell beside the subscribe button so that you will be notified of all upcoming videos.